Shobafanas, it's your boy The Craft, and I'm back with another fire episode. This one is gonna be rather educational, not as light as the previous episode, but rather educational because a lot of people are asking themselves, should I get myself a 3-inch? Should I get myself a 4-inch? Should I get myself a 7-inch? Whatever the case may be. Look, there are only two drones that I feel, in my opinion, that you need as a drone pilot. If you want to make money out of this hobby and you want to make a young, a young two-piece, a young, something, stick around, hit the subscribe button, like and comment, and let's go. As you saw with the title, yeah, there's only two drones that you'll ever need. And drone number one would be a Cinewhoop. I've got two Cinewhoops. I've got a Pavo Pico, which is from Better FPV. I just don't have it with me right now because my boy is using it. But anyways, Pavo Pico for close range flying across crowded places and all of that stuff. Pavo Pico is very small. I'll put a graphic here because I don't have the drone on me right now, but yeah, there's that drone. Then I've got a DJI Avatar. The DJI Avatar, same situation, but you can't fly it in crowded places because it's against the drone laws. So don't even try it. Don't even try to be a funny guy. The reason why I would recommend a Cinewhoop is because, number one, you can shoot indoors properly, no mistakes. It's got enough safety features. It's not gonna hurt anybody if you accidentally bump somebody. It's got prop guards. It's got decent safety features. Yeah, I don't really want to go deep into it, but I'll show you guys from the videos that I'm going to display on the screen right now that a Cinewhoop is decent if you're flying in crowded places or places where there's going to be people, or if there's going to be valuable stuff. If you're doing like warehouse tours, you're doing store tours, you're doing school tours, or whatever the situation may be. I've actually done most of that stuff, but yeah, Cinewhoop is decent for that because also it doesn't go too far. Like, you can't fly fast to a point where you can hurt somebody. Like, you wouldn't want to fly 150 kilometers per hour within a building. You'll hurt somebody, you know what I'm saying? So that drone is decent for you to get proper cinematic footage within a crowded place, or place where there's valuables, or place where it's indoors. If you want to do tours of the gym, things like that, a Cinewhoop is perfect. Then the second drone that you might need, or I think you should get, is a freestyle drone. Please don't go for a 4-inch or a freestyle drone that's like entry level. 5-inch and 6-inch is the way. I'd highly recommend maybe get a 5-inch so you don't have too much power. I have a 6-inch thinking that I'm a last number in drones. I learned quite quickly that it's not always like that, bro. You need to have experience. The more powerful the drone is, the more experience I recommend you should have for that kind of situation, because yeah, you could do some damage out there. So a freestyle drone is very nice because you can fly very fast. So if you have high speed chases, like you're on a movie set or whatever the case may be, I haven't shot in a movie set yet, but with a freestyle drone, but if you're shooting for something commercial where you have to chase a very fast subject, I'd highly recommend you get a freestyle drone. If you want to become a freestyle pilot, get a freestyle drone. If you want to do flips and like really cool stuff, get a freestyle drone. It goes quite fast, high speed chases. You can go up to like 180 kilometers per hour with my nice cool Evoke with the right battery. So yeah, for high-speed chases, fast subjects, sport, motorsports, actually not, don't be chasing athletes, you'll hit somebody, but like motorsports and all of these things, drag races, go with the freestyle drone. Then also, if you're in situations where you need to shoot content for travel, always use a freestyle drone, because you don't want to be in a situation where you're in a different country, there's a high-speed gust, you're there with your avatar, hey, it's all good, boy, you'll lose your drone. And now you'll be coming back to my comment section saying, oh, but you said that I should get this drone. Bro, fly that thing indoors, or when there's like calm weather. Don't try and be a funny guy and try fly an avatar across a mountain into the fountain. You'll lose it. And that thing is expensive, bro. It's very expensive, bro. Believe you me, I hurt my bank buying that thing, bro. Even my nice pool, I hurt my bank buying that thing. So you don't want to make mistakes. So yeah, for very intense flying where there's wind and you need to go to high altitudes, you want to have a decent long range and medium range, drone, I would highly recommend you get a freestyle drone. And there you have it. That's the end of this episode. I'm sure you've been seeing like a few of my graphics or videos that I've shot with my 2 drones, and I haven't done anything commercial with my NAS school yet, but I'm still learning, but I just wanted to share my beginner knowledge on the 2 drones that I would highly recommend that you get if you want to make a decent amount of guap in this hobby. I'm not gonna say numbers because South Africa is quite lit when it comes to budgets. It's not like out there you'll be there looking at like Danny McGee saying, yo, you can make $3,600 off your drone every month, and here in South Africa you'll probably take you 6 months just to make that money. Now I'm playing, but let me not discourage you. If you're lucky, you're lucky. But I'm not gonna say any numbers, but all I can say is that get these 2 drones, keep on practicing. Practice every day, not once a week or whatever. Practice every day. Flying a drone is all about muscle memory, so as much practice as you can get, the better. You know what I'm saying? So there you have it. That's the end of the episode. If you've been watching till this point, please like and subscribe. Switch on that notification bell. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. You guys are the ones. You guys are the reason why I'm still pushing. I'm still doing this thing. So yeah, let's keep cooking. Let's keep pushing on and creating content. If you guys want to connect with me, hit up my Instagram, shoot me a DM. I'm not a celebrity, like I keep saying. Even if I had 50 million followers, I'll probably respond to them. Probably not, but I'll probably have somebody responding. But the whole purpose of this thing is to share my knowledge, share my experience, bring you all along my drone journey and learning process. So you're not discouraged and feel like this thing looks tough. Is it even worth spending so much money? It is worth it. This thing is cool. It feels like you are in a movie every time you fly. And there you have it. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you guys next week on the next episode of last number reviews, or the bigger picture rather. Let's go. Thank you.